We're diving into the world of Automotive Locksmith Services in San Rafael, CA. Have you ever found yourself locked out of your car, desperately searching for a solution? Well, you're in luck because we're about to unveil the secrets of these skilled professionals who come to the rescue when you find yourself in a tight spot. Picture this: you're in a hurry, running late for an important meeting, and as luck would have it, your car keys have mysteriously vanished. Panic sets in, and you start frantically searching your pockets and bags, hoping to find a glimmer of hope. That's when you remember the automotive locksmiths in San Rafael, CA, who possess the key, pun intended, to your salvation. San Rafael is home to a plethora of top-notch locksmith services specializing in automotive lockouts. These experts are equipped with state-of-the-art tools and techniques to unlock your car without causing any damage. From traditional lockpicking to advanced key programming, they possess the knowledge and skills to handle any lockout situation with ease. But automotive locksmiths offer more than just emergency lockout assistance. Need a duplicate key for your vehicle? No problem. These professionals can create precise copies of your keys, saving you time and money compared to going to the dealership. Whether you've lost your keys, need to replace a damaged lock, or require ignition repair, the automotive locksmiths in San Rafael, CA, have got you covered. What sets these locksmiths apart is their commitment to customer satisfaction. They understand the stress and inconvenience of being locked out, and their prompt and reliable service ensures that you'll be back on the road in no time. Their expertise extends beyond cars as well, as they can handle motorcycles, trucks, and even boats. And that's a wrap on our exploration of Automotive Locksmith Services in San Rafael, CA. Next time you find yourself in a sticky situation, remember the skilled locksmiths who can come to your aid. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this.